Good day, sir. I am Denisan Clasas, fourth year student, section A. And this is my answer of those questions in my final video project. Importance lessons learned. 1. I first, as a student, everything I learned in school is useful in real life. Whether major or minor subject, all lessons help shape my knowledge and and skills. I am grateful to study in a proper school because everything we learn, regardless of our grade levels or favorite subject, has real life application. Next is as a future criminologist. Police officers play vital roles in keeping peace and protecting the community. As a future police officer, it is important to have discipline, integrity, and good character. Our duty is to protect people, and when we show respect and we earn respect in return. Next is as a global citizens. Being a global citizen means acting with empathy, responsibility, and respect. I've learned to think critically, work with others, and make ethical decision. Most importantly, change starts with me by saying the informed and taking actions. I can help my I can help make world more fair and connected. Next is my favorite and least favorite topics. My favorite topics is circumstance evidence because it shows how powerful indi- indirect clues can be in solving cases, even though it is often misunderstood. Next is less favorite topics is a chain of custody. It is important but can be quite technical and repetitive compared to the others evidence subject. Next is suggestion for improvement. Oh, improvement. How to improve? Teaching can be improved by adding more real life applications, such as particular cases such as studies, stimulate crime scene, and mock trial to help students understand evidence more effectively. Next is feedback about the professor. Things I like. First, engage lessons. The discussion and examples makes learning interesting and particular. Next is fairness and professionalism. Clear expectation, grading, and respectful treatment of a student. Next is things I like and how to improve. Some lessons help to pass, making it harder to full understand difficult topic. Slowing down a bit or adding quick recap sessions would help students absorb the material better. Next is parting message of Cristali College. Thank you, Cristali College, for an unforgettable journey. This place helped shape who I am today. Um, I will always carry the lessons, memories, and growth again her as I move forward. Next is to my classmates. To my classmates, thank you for making this year special. Your support, love, and teamwork turn challenges into memories. I'm proud of all of us, and I wish everyone success in the future. Next is to myself. Thank you for staying strong. I growth, I growth, improved, and proven that I can overcome difficulties. I desire success, and I'm excited for what's ahead. Next is to my professor. Thank you, sir and ma'am, for your guidance and patience. Your dedication inspire me to learn and do better. I truly appreciate everything you have got done. That's